I'll be sharing how to turn 10 rand into 500 rand on Betway. Watch till the end for tips and strategies. So we'll be using a strategy of highest scoring half, and I'll be focusing on the league of Premier League and making an example with the following teams, which are Wolves and Crystal Palace. So checking on the previous games of the both teams, you can see that on April 25, Wolves did score 2, which the highest scoring half was equal here. So checking on September 3rd, 2023, you can see that the highest scoring half was the second half. You can see that they scored 5 goals when they're all together. On May 11th, 2024, we can see that the highest scoring half was their second half, because if you check first half they scored 2 goals, right? Second half they did score it's 2 goals, so it's equal again. So on August 1, 2024, we can see that Crystal Palace did score 3, and combining both goals from the teams, you can see that the high scoring half was the second half. On November 2nd, 2024, you can see that both teams did make a draw. The second half was the high scoring half, which proves that this strategy of which I'm giving to you works. Because most here you can see that the equal happened, let's see, on April 25, also on May 11th. So it's either you pick equal or second half, because you can see here that most of the goals which are scored are second half, not first half, second half or equal. So yeah, catch you on the next video. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.